Hi, this is Dave Forrester with your free video for Thursday, March 12th, and I wanted to talk about the NASDAQ 100 index. So if you don't look at different indexes, I think it can be helpful sometimes to see what, say, the SPX is doing versus the NASDAQ 100 index versus the Russell 2000 index. And with the NASDAQ 100 index, we keep bouncing off of the support area, which is a little bit below 24,500. So I can draw in this trend line like so. And then also, if I extend this to the right, actually I'll extend it to the left. You can see that where the support is coming in from where we put this swing low in, you could call that a pivot low if you want to as well, back on November 21st. So for NDX to remain bullish, we need to keep making higher lows, right? So if we take out this low from November 21st, that would be putting in a lower low. And that's potentially the beginning of some bearishness. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on this level. Also, what we have is the 200-day simple moving average. This purple line right here is the simple moving average for the 200 daily. And that is still sloping up, and we're getting closer to it because 200 days sloping up and price is going mostly sideways, but somewhat sideways to down. So keep an eye on that level, and you can also set alerts. So if you want to set an alert right down here on Thinkorswim, makes it super simple. You can just click right there and set an alert right around where those lows are. You can even put a note in here to say, watch for support or a break, something like that. But the tech sector is the biggest sector within the S&P 500. So you might be looking at this and say, who cares about NDX? I only trade SPX. Well, about 34% of the S&P 500 is made up of tech stocks. So even if you trade SPX only, it might make sense to pay attention to what the biggest sector in the S&P 500 is doing. So hopefully this helped, but since NDX is coming into major support, I thought it'd be something to keep an eye out for. Also, what to check out as well is if you haven't joined Basecamp Trading, you can go right here to bctnow.com/join. And once you load that website, you can take a 30-day trial for $7. All right, so hope that helped, and thanks for joining me.